Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Well, the GoPro 7 is recording me right now, and I usually use the GoPro, the 7 or the 6, to place on my drones and RC cars and get all that footage. And a lot of people ask, why don't I use the Osmo Pocket? I use the Osmo Pocket, which is right here. I use this Osmo Pocket an awful lot for just like filming me talking. Normally I'd have it right now so I could vlog. But I don't stick it on drones and I don't stick it on RC cars because it's very fragile. If they flip over or drones crash, this thing's very damageable. However, today I have with me the Unlimited Desert Racer. There it is right here. It's a rather large, detailed RC car. And it's got a spot in the passenger side that, I don't know if you can see this. Watch this if I put this way. So if I take my Osmo, watch this. I can actually go through the passenger, I think I can go through the passenger window and stick the Osmo inside like that and have it look. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna glue the Osmo right there so it sits there, and we'll see what the video footage looks like driving an RC car with the Osmo Pocket. And I also have a little GoPro thing here, so I'm gonna put a GoPro on here as well and get a few images. So yeah, this is what it's gonna look like. Check it out. All right, so plan B, I could not get it in the little driver or passenger side compartment here because it wasn't flat enough. It didn't stick well enough, so I just stuck it on the front. Now I do have two 3S batteries in here, so it is on a 6S, and I'll just power it on. I'm just gonna put the traction control on because of the snow. Look at my tires. It is a four-wheel drive, but these are not snow tires, see? I could actually get stuck easy. Like that. Get a little braver, go a little faster. All right, it's a more open out here, and I think it's a little harder, but it's gonna be a bumpy ride. Good thing this here has some pretty decent shocks on it. Look at that, a lot of travel. But we'll see how it works with the Osmo, and then I'll put a GoPro on. Here we go. I think the Osmo went flying. Now I gotta go get it. There's the Unlimited Desert Racer, and the Osmo is over there. Go back, pick up your damaged goods. Here we are. Osmo, you still alive? Hello? Oh, the gimbal's not working. Here, I'm gonna have to reset it. Come on, Osmo. Yes, it's working again. It came back to life. All right, so that's working. All right, I'll try with the GoPro 7 on this thing if I can get it stuck on it. I don't know how she's gonna go. We're out a big field. I can take it pretty fast. Here we go. Put the brakes on. Whoa! And there goes the GoPro. Bring it back to you now. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was kind of short, you know. My GoPro kept falling off. The friggin' Osmo Pocket kept falling off. I don't know, everything's falling off this thing. I'll have to figure out a better way to attach all the stuff. Here, I'm getting down in the video. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. I think this UDR, this Unlimited Desert Racer, is a pretty cool vehicle. It's definitely not too bad out on this snow. You know, I didn't think these tires were grippy enough, but it actually works quite well. So I'm kind of impressed with that. A lot of detail on this thing. It looks like a collector's edition, you know, for an RC vehicle. I wouldn't really call this a bashing vehicle, but you know, it's pretty cool. So I'll just put it over here. So I'll end the video here, and I'll just let this little UDR fly by us. Here we go. See you later, guys.